Hello everyone, myself Balaji Jadhav, assistant teacher working on Jilla Parishad Primary School, Vijayanagar, Pariyanti, Talukaman, District Satara. You know, I am a teacher of 1st to 4th standard and a single teacher. Total enrollment 30 students. We don't shut schools in COVID-19. We keep continue education for my students because my school is situated in a very rural and hilly area. So there is no issue about the COVID-19. That's the reason we are keep continue education. So we completed all learning outcomes in last 7 to 8 months. But not only completed the textbook, syllabus or learning outcomes. We already implemented one best project, multi-skill development program. Because knowledge is important, but skills are necessary. So we started with first skill named by piano playing. You know, one piano set price is nearby 10,000 to 15,000. We haven't available fund or have not available piano set in my school. But Atul Foundation Gujarat are donate tab for my school. And we are downloaded the piano app and we are trying to learn piano from piano app on tab. I already done completed piano course from the YouTube and many international platforms. So at the starting time, we have facing a lot of issues because students never know about the piano. But after some days, my students are learn small prayers, happy birthday and many 2-3 lines, 4-5 lines. But now I am very happy after 6 to 7 months, all my students are able to playing more than 20 prayers, songs, and they are very happy to connect with the Marathi language, English, poems to the playing of piano. So I provide them a great opportunity to become a great piano player in future. We are move on to the second skill based program. We started a soap making process because my all students are coming from very poor family. So they have not available regular soap at home. So we started soap making process. We already planted aloe vera in our school premises. We have started a soap making process, learn from the YouTube and many other training courses for the soap making. At first, we are facing a lot of issues because we have mistakes in same contents. But after some experiment, we are successfully making a soap, different color soap, and we provided every 2 weeks one soap for one student. Now parents, students, and we are very happy because I provided hands-on activity, practical based education to my students, and I hope my every student make a future based businessman as a soap making factory or company. Then third skill we are defined for Warli tribal art drawing. I learned Warli art course in a lockdown, but friends, when I implemented for my students in classroom, so my students are learn very easily to draw in a drawing book. But when we trying on to the draw on wall compound, school buildings, wall, that time we are facing a more issues. But my parents are support because last 8 years we haven't colored to my school building and compound. But all parents have a great support for me and they are coloring my schools. And after that, me and my students are drawing nearby more than 100 of themes in 800 square feet wall compound and 2 classroom, toilet and kitchen. One of my colleague, my friend Pappu Babar, is support me and help me for the Warli drawing on painting. So now my 100% students are able to drawing not only in notebook but also they are very well drawing on wall components. So I wish my every students are make a great artist in future. So education's main intention make a secure future, give opportunity for every student to activity based learning. After that, we are trying to teach them archery. We have some trees in school premises, so we are cutting small branches of trees and make a archery kit from the rope and branches, and then we are learning from the YouTube how to concentrate on archery, how to take a training for the archery, what can we do for the practices. At the starting time, we are facing same issues. We haven't concentrated for the achievement, goal. But after that, now all my students are very deep archery playing. So I hope my every students are participated and winner of the national and international archery competition. So then I'm very happy about implementing the multi-skill development program in my school. After that, when I'm connecting with the abroad schools, so those schools students are doing hands-on activity with tab assembling, computer assembling, laptop assembling. So I think about, why not I provide to opportunity my students to make some hands-on activity in a 21st century scheme. And then we are taking the training from the Hong Kong, one of the Hong Kong's vocational school, and one of my friend Kaji Work Center's owner, Mr. Kaji sir, are given me practical knowledge, and then we are starting to the assemble all wristwatches, and now all my students are very happy to assemble wristwatches. They are repairing, they are separated all the parts. So finally I want to say you, I haven't any skill at the starting time, but I think about develop myself, and I have done all those things. In a very rural and hilly area, I am completely implemented and successfully all those multi-skill development program in my school. All my students now are very well piano playing, archery player, drawing warli art on the in the notebook and also on wall compound. They making a good soap. They assembling the wristwatch. So that all the fantastic and surprise work in a one of government school in a very rural and hilly area. I request all teachers and students, please, you also think about the multi-skill development program.